Hello students, very good morning. We are learning the chapter acids, bases and salts. In the previous class we have learnt about properties and uses of acids and bases. In today's class you are going to study about indicators. So many acids and bases look similar, right? Maybe they are colorless, and how do one differentiate between them? So remember, we should never taste and touch any unknown substances. So then how do we find out if a substance is acidic or basic? Yes, there are some special substances. There are special substances which help us in identifying whether a substance is acidic or basic. These substances are called as indicators. Okay, indicators nothing but substances which help in identifying whether the solution is acidic, whether the solution is basic. So that substance is called as indicator. So they change their color when added to an acidic or basic solution. Suppose consider if you have an acidic solution, if you add an indicator to that, so it will change the color. By that we can identify whether that solution is acidic or basic. So these indicators are of two types. One is natural indicators and second one is synthetic indicators. So now we'll learn about natural indicators. As the name indicates, natural indicator, there are some indicators which are present in nature. So these are called as natural indicators. Okay, example you can give turmeric or cabbage, beetroot. These are all natural indicators because these indicators are present in the nature. This is turmeric and the arishina. So this is a natural indicator that is commonly used in the kitchen. It is the yellow spice which adds color to the vegetable curry. Right? There is one activity here to indicate, to show turmeric is an indicator. Activity is to demonstrate turmeric is as an indicator. So things required for this activity is turmeric powder, dishwashing powder, vinegar. Vinegar means acetic acid. So this vinegar is used in storing the pickles and even for making fried rice and gobi. So they'll add this vinegar. Next, water, 3 small bowls, 2 pieces of tissue paper and a cotton earbud. So what you have to do here? So first put some turmeric powder in a bowl, add little water to make a smooth paste. First you have to make a smooth paste of turmeric. Okay, then you should smear the paste evenly over both the tissue papers. Okay, you can see here the color of the paper is yellow because they have smeared the turmeric on a tissue paper. So you should dry it completely. Then what you have to do? You should take small amount of dishwashing solution and vinegar in a separate bowls. You should take vinegar and a soap solution, or soap solution means dishwashing solution, in a separate bowls. So you, with the help of a cotton earbud, you should try to draw a flower on one dried yellow tissue paper. Okay, now yellow tissue paper mele vinegar earbud na, with the help of vinegar, with the help of earbud, we should dip that in a vinegar, and you have to write a flower or the message on this paper. So on the other hand, you have to write in the same way with the help of a soap solution. Now soap solution ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಸೋಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರ ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಪೇಪರ್ ಟಿಶ್ಯೂ ಪೇಪರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವೇನಾದರೂ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So what do you see in this? So you'll see observation is the flower drawn with the vinegar is not visible, whereas one drawn with the soap solution turns red color. So what does this occur? How does this occur? So explanation is curcumin. Curcumin, it is an active ingredient of turmeric. ಸೊ ಈ ಅರಿಶಿಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಕರ್ಕ್ಯುಮಿನ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಂಗ್ರೀಡಿಯೆಂಟ್, ಒಂದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. So that substance acts as a indicator. It remains yellow in the acidic. ಓಕೆ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಆಗೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದು ಅಸಿಡಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಿದೆಯೋ ಅದೇ ಕಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ರೆಡ್. Why this soap solution turn, why this paper turn red? Because why not in a vinegar? Because vinegar is like acidic and soap solution that is basic, you know, right? So turmeric, I told curcumin, it is a mild acid. Okay, it is mild acid. So when acid react with the acid, it does not affect anything, it does not react it does not react much. So when this acid, you know that we have smeared turmeric, right? I told it contains mild acids. When acids react with the bases, it become neutral. Sorry, not neutral. It becomes colored. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ colored ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಏನು ಕಲರ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Here the color has changed. So this indicates that turmeric, we can use it as a indicator. There are so many other items in your kitchen that can be used as a indicator. Red cabbage juice is one such example. The juice which is produced by boiling red cabbage is useful in identifying acids and bases. A very acidic solution, tumba acidic iro solution, will turn red. Neutral solution, it will turn purple. A basic solution turns greenish yellow when cabbage juice is added to them. ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಬೇಜ್ ಜ್ಯೂಸ್ನ ಅಸಿಡಿಕ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸು. ಸೊ ಬೈ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಅಸಿಡಿಕ್. If when you added a cabbage juice, if the solution turns purple color, by that you can say that it is a neutral solution. And when the solution turns greenish yellow, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ greenish yellow ಆಗಿ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆದ್ರೆ, by that you can say that this is a basic solution. So by this we can say these some of the plant materials acts as a indicators. Next, one more important indicator, that is litmus paper. Litmus, it is another natural indicator which is most widely and commonly used in laboratories. ನಾವು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಬೇಗ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ತರ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಮೆಥಡು ಇದು ಲಿಟ್ಮಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಡೈಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಲರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ಡೈಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಲೈಕನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಲೈಕನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಆಲ್ಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಆನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದ ರಾಕ್ಸ್, ಮಾಯ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮಾಯ್ಸ್ಟ್ wood logs. So this is called as lichens. Okay, these dyes are extracted from lichens. So it is often absorbed onto the filter paper to produce red and blue litmus paper. ನಾವು ಈ ಲೈಕನ್ಸ್ನ ಈ ಡೈಸ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದು ಫಿಲ್ಟರ್ ಪೇಪರ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲೂ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅಸಿಡಿಕ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ನಾವು ಅಸಿಡಿಕ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಬ್ಲೂ ಲಿಟ್ಮಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ and we have to do it deep in that acidic solution. So if the litmus paper turns red color, that indicates it is a acidic solution. Now blue litmus paper na dip ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, if we get it as a red litmus, that is called as acidic solution. Suppose if that remains blue color only, ಆವಾಗ blue color ಆಗಿ ಉಳ್ಕೋತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that is ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಆರ್ ಅಥವಾ ನಾವು ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಅಂತ ಆದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬಹುದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಈ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಪೇಪರ್ ತುಂಬಾ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ಶೋ ಇನ್ ದ ಲೈವ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ರೆಡ್ ಲಿಟ್ಮಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡಿಪ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಸೋಪ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಡಿಟರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಡಿಪ್ ದಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, if the litmus paper turns into blue color, blue litmus, ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಬೇಸಿಕ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನಾವು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು. ಬ್ಲೂ ಇಂದ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಆಗೋದು ಅಸಿಡಿಕ್, ರೆಡ್ ಇಂದ ಬ್ಲೂ ಕಲರ್ ಆಗೋದು ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಲಿಟ್ಮಸ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ಲಿಟ್ಮಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಈಸ್ ಪರ್ಪಲ್ ಇನ್ ಕಲರ್. ಅದು ಪರ್ಪಲ್ ಕಲರ್ ಐತೆ. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮೇಕ್ ಲಿಟ್ಮಸ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬೈ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಲಿಟ್ಮಸ್ ಇನ್ ವಾಟರ್. ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ವಾಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋ. ಯು ನೋ ದಟ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಪರ್ಪಲ್ ಕಲರ್. Next type of natural indicator is China rose or hibiscus. ಸೊ ದಾಸವಾಳನ ನಾವು ಚೈನಾ ರೋಸ್ ಅಂತಾನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಚೈನಾ ರೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹೈಬಿಸ್ಕಸ್, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಫ್ಲವರ್ whose petals can be used as natural indicators. You know that so hibiscus ದಾಸವಾಳದೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬಾ ರೆಡ್ ಕಲರ್ ಇದೆ, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹೈಬ್ರಿಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ local plants which are red in color, right? So this can be used as natural indicators. So China rose or hibiscus indicators turns the color of, so it shows the color acidic to dark pink. Okay, suppose if that solution is acidic, it will show dark pink color, and if the solution is basic, it will show it green color. Okay, basic solutions green color li ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ, and acidic solutions it will show in the dark pink color. So this is about natural indicators. I hope all of you have understood. Thank you.